Hey, my name's Nick with Sunshine State RVs. I'm here with Free RV today, doing a little tour of a 2019 Coachman Crossfit. We're actually here at the Ocala Rvshow. We got 26 Class B RVs on display here. We have the largest selection of Class B RVs in the whole United States in one location. So one of my favorite ones is the Coachman Crossfit. It's on a Ford Transit chassis. This Transit chassis is one of the most comfortable driving RVs on the market. It's 21 feet long. It gets about 20 miles to the gallon. It's a Ford V6 engine. The the actual cockpit and driving situation of it is extremely comfortable. You feel like you're driving a car, a sports car. It's a very comfortable front end. The stereo sync situation is great for navigation, GPS, satellite radio. And then being a 21 foot RV, you have all the space you need for a full size bathroom, a big fridge. This one has twin beds in it. And there can also be a dinette back there. The Coachman CrossFits have really came on strong in the last couple years as a very affordable Class B RV. They have tons of technology, solar panels, extra inverters. They have Wi-Fi rangers. They have side and rear screens. There's a lot of cool features that the CrossFit has that a lot of the other Class B RVs do not have. These are very comfortable getting in with a big sliding door, big steps going into it, and then while you're in there, there's about 6'4" of space inside of it. And as you make your way to the back, you got 4 seat belts back there on the dinette. You have a full-size bathroom that also has a shower and a sink in it, so you can use the bathroom in here. There's a full-size shower, a sink, everything in it. Actually, I think Ross is kind of liking this one.
Yep.
It's pretty neat. I've been real impressed. This has been one of our best-selling Class B RVs here in the last few months. The Coachman CrossFit. One of the other cool features that they just came out with is this Firefly system where everything's controlled by a screen in here. It's also controlled on an app on your iPhone. The Wi-Fi Ranger helps you find Wi-Fi no matter where you're at, anywhere in the country. If you're close to Starbucks, it'll grab onto their Wi-Fi. Verizon, they have hotspots all over the country. It's pretty neat. I'd encourage you to check one out if you're in the market for a good Class B RV.
Can we check out back?
We can. This one has a full bike rack on it, so it can hold 2 bikes.
Cool.
And it's on the door, so you don't have to put it in the hitch. It doesn't hinder anything. It also has a rear screen here, so you can pull the screen all the way down, have it stuck there. You can leave the doors open to camp. You can also load stuff in the back here. There's a lot of cool features that are only the Coachman CrossFit have here. About 5,000 pounds of towing capacity. There was a speaker there at one point.
And what's the price out of the door?
So the price on this one, we have a special show price right now, is $97,900. This is the EcoBoost model, so it has a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It also has all of the upgraded features that they offer with the upgraded solar, the upgraded chrome wheels, 2,000 watt inverter, everything that they feature.
Okay, thank you very much.
Russ, thank you for stopping by.